Goodness me.
It's Italian. It's Italian, isn't it?
Welke
German.
onderwerpen hebben we het over? Of welke onderwerpen kun je beter vermijden?
No idea.
There's something about it.
Okay, that one's going at 100 miles an hour, so I'm guessing Spanish.
Turkish?
Yeah.
Oh no! Really? I've got Turkish friends. That's not good.
Hello, welcome to Easy English. So today, I thought we'd play a game. I've taken some recordings of our fellow friends in the Easy Languages Network. And I want to know if my fellow Brits can figure out what language they're hearing. If you want to play along too, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Here we go. Okay, so number one, have a listen.
Smalltalk, wat is het? Waarom doen we het?
German.
Welke onderwerpen
I'll say German or
hebben we het
Russian.
over? Of welke onderwerpen?
German, you said very quick. Why is that? Are you learning German?
No.
No, it's just the accent.
Welke
German.
onderwerpen hebben we het over? Of welke onderwerpen kun je
wait a
beter
minute.
vermijden? Laten we het vandaag aan Enschede vragen.
German? Could be German, yes.
Final answer?
Yeah.
Goodness me. I would say that, guessing, I would say that's Hungarian.
Hungarian.
Daar gaan we dan.
No, Swedish.
Smalltalk,
Why
wat
did you,
is...
so you went from German
Well,
to
you see,
Swedish?
he said warum,
Yeah.
you see, and there were later bits that I didn't recognise as German, so that's why I'm going Swedish.
You're actually pretty close, and it's very similar. It's Dutch.
Oh, it's Dutch.
Yeah, it's Dutch.
Dutch.
Dutch. It's Dutch.
Oh, it's Dutch, right?
It's
okay,
Dutch,
yeah, I have heard
but
Dutch before.
The German was a great shout to begin
Well, because they
with.
say warum.
Yeah,
Right, okay.
it's Dutch.
Ah.
Dutch?
Wow, yeah.
Really?
You're the first person to get that.
Oh, wow. Okay.
That's really good. Have you been to Netherlands?
No.
Wow,
Just-
what made you say Dutch?
I don't know. It
It's a
just
wild
kind of
guess.
just... Yeah, well, guess, to be honest.
Brilliant, great guess. Okay, next one. Maybe a bit easier.
Salut les amis, aujourd'hui nous sommes à
Well, that's
Lille
French, because I speak French, so...
You speak French?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
avec notre ami
French.
Josh. Qu'est-ce qu'on vient
Or
faire
is
ici,
it
Josh?
Belgium?
Qu'est-ce qu'on vient faire ici, Josh?
Italian?
On va poser
Yeah,
des questions
I'll say
aux
French.
Lillois.
Yeah.
I'm going to go French. You
Yeah.
go Italian. Yeah?
J'ai fait mes études à Lille, c'est ma ville.
French?
Yeah.
I was talking about Lille, so maybe it's French.
Nice. I don't know. That was the giveaway, was it?
A bit of a...
I'm pretty sure that's French.
Nice. It was French.
Hey! Mummy wins.
1-0 up. Okay, so then this one I think you'll probably get now.
Wir fragen heute die Menschen auf der Straße in
Yeah, well, that's
Berlin,
German. Auf der
was
Straße on the
ihnen im
street in
Leben
Berlin.
gut... Wir fragen heute die
German.
Menschen auf der
German.
Straße in Berlin,
Nice. Exactly.
was
That's
ihnen im
definitely
Leben
German,
gut
yes.
gelungen ist. Was ihnen im Leben gut gelungen ist.
Maybe a clue. In
I
there.
think there's a geographical clue in that one.
Janusz, was bedeutet dieses Wort gelingen?
German.
Why did you say that? Did you hear a clue?
Yes, we got the clue again.
It's German.
Nice. Would you have got that though without the mention
I
of
think I
Berlin?
probably would.
Yeah?
German?
Yeah!
Oh, my God.
Was there a giveaway? Did you hear something in that
No,
giveaway?
it just sounds
Oh my God.
On the street in Berlin. she said it.
Nice.
Auf der Straße. Yes, Auf.
Fun.
Auf is on, isn't it?
Fantastic.
Straße.
This video is sponsored by italki, the site that allows you to find online language teachers for one-on-one tutoring. As a new user, you'll get $10 in italki credits after your first lesson if you register using the link go.italki.com/easy English. If you don't like reading complicated language books or listening to pre-recorded audio courses, then italki is for you. You'll get to practice your conversational skills under different real-world scenarios, as speaking with humans is the best way to learn a language. You can customize your lessons to cater for your learning needs and interests, and the one-on-one lessons provide you undivided attention with teachers at your preferred time, whether you're at home, at the airport, or at your local park. You have complete access. So head on over to italki with this link, go.italki.com/easy English to start your first lesson and get $10 in lesson credits. Next one.
Βρισκόμαστε σε ένα από τους πιο όμορφους δρόμους στην Αθήνα για να ρωτήσουμε
Italian.
τους φίλους μας εδώ κάτι στην Αθήνα
Yeah,
για να
Polish.
ρωτήσουμε τους φίλους μας εδώ
Polish
κάτι καταστροφολογικό.
Hungarian.
Επηρεασμένοι από την ταινία το Don't Look Up,
Spanish.
And something vaguely Northern European, I reckon.
What do you reckon? What?
I'll plump for Swedish.
Κάτι
Greek.
καταστροφολογικό.
No, it's Greek.
Επηρεασμένο.
Wow.
Yeah.
How did you
I'm
know
half
that?
Greek.
Oh, really?
There's a bit of a giveaway there.
It's Greek.
I used to live in Greece.
Oh, God. Shame.
Skiathos. You don't think, whoops.
It's Greek.
Greek, good lord.
It's Greek.
Greek.
No, it's Greek.
It is. Do you know? I wonder whether but somehow her accent didn't quite sound Greek.
Okay, next one.
Dai che facciamo tardi.
Per cosa? Per cosa?
It's Italian.
Che senso?
It's Italian, isn't it?
Ma, cioè...
Puoi portare solo una cosa.
I think that's Italian.
Yeah, nice.
Una cosa.
Ok.
Italian.
Wow, that's too easy for you, I think.
That one's easy.
What is it? What is it? Are you listening for words or for rhythms? Or
But all, because as I say, I've just been on holiday in Gran Canaria with people from a number of different languages.
It's Italian.
Che senso?
It's Italian, isn't it? It's Italian.
Well done, so quick.
Italian?
Yeah, what made you say that? Okay.
Just sounds like Italian.
Per
Italian.
cosa? Per cosa?
Yeah.
Che senso?
I
Per
understand.
andare su Marte.
Wait for the pizza.
What ticked the box for you? Is it the rhythm or the?
It's the at the end of the word.
Right, yeah. It's kind of kind of cliched, but
Indeed.
it worked.
There's truth behind the cliche somewhere.
There is. All right, next one.
Sztuczna. Żywa. Sztuczna. Żywa, przecież ładnie pachnie i lepiej wygląda. Ale sztuczna jest ekonomiczna. Zostaje z tobą na zawsze.
Now I think we're talking Polish.
Ale sztuczna jest ekonomiczna. Zostaje z tobą na zawsze. I jeszcze dla,
I think so. Polish.
jeszcze dla twoich wnuków, prawnuków też.
Is that Russian?
I jeszcze dla twoich wnuków, prawnuków
Russian.
też.
Polish.
I don't know.
You take a guess? Wild guess?
Russian?
It's Polish.
See, I don't know.
Yeah.
Wow.
You're saying Polish? Yeah. Well done. Smashing it.
Is that Polish?
It's Polish,
Right.
yeah.
Okay, yes, of course.
Now I think we're talking Polish.
Yeah,
We
bang
are,
on.
yes, right, yeah.
Right
There
on
are,
the
it's
money.
interesting the similarities with some of the words in Greek. Katastrofiak, you know the way that "ia" ending, which is very specifically, you know, I know a bit of Greek, but only New Testament Greek, and so those kinds of endings sound about right. Anyway, carry on.
Well done,
Well
Amelia.
done. How did you know that? Ah, okay. There you go, that helps. Next one.
Вернее, это приветствие я записываю из другого российского города, Краснодара, куда я приехал в гости к своей дочери. Но нашу беседу с прохожими на московских улицах я записал буквально.
What are you saying? Saying Russian?
Yeah.
That's Russian?
That is
That's
Russian.
Russian. I'm guessing Russian.
Russian.
Perfect. Well done. Got a heckler helping you out now.
Yeah, no.
What are you saying? Saying Russian?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Краснодара,
Russian.
куда я
Yeah,
приехал.
wow, you got that really quick.
Yeah, no, that's no problem. Russian's very distinctive. There's something about it also, you know, that, and of course we do hear it a certain amount in this and that, you know. Anyway, I do anyway. So anyway, Russian.
Penultimate one.
Ahora mismo estamos desde la Plaza San Felipe de Neri con Harry y Carla para presentaros un nuevo
Spanish.
episodio. ¿Qué les vamos a estar preguntando, Carla? Pues hoy aprovechando.
That
¿Qué les
sounds
vamos a estar
Spanish.
preguntando,
That sounds
Carla?
really quick.
Pues hoy, aprovechando que dentro de muy poquito es San Jordi, vamos a
in Spanish,
preguntar a la
oh,
gente por
Spanish,
sus
definitely
recomendaciones
Spanish.
What do you reckon? Also Spanish or Japanese?
Japanese.
literarias. ¿Qué es lo último que has leído? ¿Celebran esta fiesta o no?
Spanish?
Perfect.
Spanish?
Yeah.
Do you think that was Spanish? I think so.
Wow.
I should have known that. I used to work with two Spanish people.
Okay, that one's going at 100 miles an hour, so I'm guessing Spanish.
That's the giveaway, is it? The speed.
I reckon.
Spanish.
Bang on. Oh, you're
Well,
on
I've
a
just been in
roll.
Gran Canaria.
Yeah,
so
I was going
if
to
I can't
say.
get that, there'll be something wrong.
It's Spanish.
So Spanish. But that's good though, because I used to work in Spain.
Yeah, perfect. You've redeemed yourself for the
Yeah.
Greek one.
Yeah, right.
Okay, last one.
Okay.
Let's try and get it.
Right.
Here we go.
Bu bölümümüzde evde yoğurt nasıl mayalanır ve yoğurt yapmanın sırları nelerdir onlardan bahsedeceğiz. Ben uzun yıllardır evde kendi yoğurdumu kendim yapıyorum. Yoğurdumu geleneksel usullerle yani Büyüklerimizden nasıl gördüysem o şekilde yapıyorum.
Yeah, that's very difficult. Hungarian?
Could be Hungarian or something like that. It's not Hungarian, but it's
Croatia or something. I don't
Yes.
know. Somewhere there. Sorry?
It's a tough
Bit of
one.
a
that.
toughie.
Yes,
Yeah.
but it's very soft. Otherwise, I'd have said possibly Hungarian, but
Okay. And what would you say?
Croatia or one of the former Yugoslavias.
No idea.
No.
Uh,
It's Turkish.
Turkish, right? Okay, so right area, but wrong. No, Turkish is not a language I would understand. I would know at all.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's
yeah,
Turkish,
okay,
that
okay. Yeah, no, I wouldn't have got that
That's
one.
really good.
Oh, I did okay.
That's
Did better than I
6
thought.
out of 9.
Turkish.
Yeah.
Oh no! I've got Turkish friends. That's not good.
Thanks for watching this week's episode. Let us know the score you got out of 9 in the comments below, and we'll see you next week. Bye.